This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread kottu. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including day-old bread, your favorite vegetables, and a selection of aromatic spices. Next, prepare the bread by tearing it into small, bite-sized pieces. Then, you will sauté the vegetables and spices to create a delicious foundation for your kottu. Finally, combine everything on a hot griddle and chop it all together. For the perfect bread kottu, start with about 8 slices of day-old bread. This helps achieve the right texture. Finely chop 1 large onion, 2 green chilies, and a generous handful of fresh curry leaves. Next, dice 2 ripe tomatoes and 1 colorful bell pepper into small, consistent pieces. Don't forget to prepare your protein, whether it's cooked chicken, scrambled eggs, or a vegetarian alternative, ensuring it's ready to be added. To begin cooking, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan or on a flat griddle over medium heat. Add the chopped onions, green chilies, and curry leaves, sautéing them until they become fragrant and soft. Next, incorporate your diced vegetables, cooking them until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Finally, stir in your spices, such as 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, to infuse the mixture with flavor. Now, add the prepared bread pieces and your chosen protein to the cooked vegetable mixture on the griddle. Pour in about 1/4 cup of coconut milk to add a lovely richness and depth of flavor. Using 2 spatulas, begin to chop and mix all the ingredients together vigorously on the hot surface until everything is well combined and heated through. Serve your delicious bread kottu immediately, perhaps garnished with some fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.